Imagine reversing joint degeneration, not with prosthetics, but by restoring cartilage in situ. Researchers at the University of Würzburg in Germany have developed an injectable hydrogel designed for cartilage regeneration. The technology is based on a synthetic peptide-modified hydrogel that mimics the viscoelastic and biochemical properties of the native extracellular matrix. Once injected intra-articularly, the gel polymerizes into a porous scaffold. This scaffold performs three critical functions: biomechanical support. It cushions the joint immediately, reducing mechanical stress. Cell recruitment and signaling. Bioactive motifs in the gel promote adhesion of chondrocytes and mesenchymal stem cells, while incorporated growth factors stimulate type 2 collagen and proteoglycan synthesis. Controlled degradation. The gel is enzymatically cleavable, allowing progressive replacement with newly deposited hyaline-like cartilage rather than fibrocartilage. This approach differs from microfracture or autografts, which often result in inferior scar tissue. Early preclinical trials in large animal models have demonstrated durable cartilage repair with near-native biomechanical properties. A first-in-human safety and feasibility trial is now underway in Germany, targeting patients with focal chondral defects. In short, this injectable scaffold represents a regenerative alternative to joint replacement, designed to restore function through endogenous tissue repair rather than prosthetic substitution. Subscribe and follow for more science-backed learning.